In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export TC2000 data. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get the numbers from a chart into a file you can use for analysis, reporting, or sharing. First, open the TC2000 desktop application on Windows. Give it a moment to load your layouts. Then bring up the specific stock chart you want to export. Make sure the chart you're looking at truly represents what you want to capture. The export will reflect the data and indicators visible on that chart, so confirm you're on the correct symbol and viewing the time frame and studies that matter for your analysis. When your chart is ready, move your mouse anywhere over the chart area and right-click. This opens the context menu with tools related to that view. From this menu, choose Export Chart Data. This tells TC2000 you want a data file created based on what the chart is currently showing. You'll now see options to decide which plots and indicators to include in the export. Think of these as the individual data series that can be written to your file. For most use cases, you'll want to select price, which provides the open, high, low, and close values. If you're tracking market participation, include volume. If your analysis relies on trend smoothing, choose your moving averages, such as simple or exponential lines you've added to the chart. You can also check other indicators you've overlaid or placed in separate panes, like momentum or volatility measures. Only select what you truly need. Keeping the export focused makes the resulting file easier to work with and faster to process. Once your selections look right, click Export Data. TC2000 will package the chosen series into a single file. Expect each column to represent a selected plot or indicator, alongside the corresponding date and timestamps. Price data typically includes open, high, low, and close, while indicators appear as their own columns. This structure makes it straightforward to load the file into a spreadsheet or a statistics tool for deeper analysis, charting, or backtesting. That's all there is to it. Open the TC2000 desktop app, load the chart you want, right-click on the chart, choose Export Chart Data, pick the plots and indicators that matter for your work, and click Export Data. With this simple workflow, you can move from on-screen visuals to a clean data set you can sort, filter, and model however you like. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.